In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a board in Monday.com step by step. Whether you want to reuse a project setup, create a template from an existing workflow, or simply back up your board before making big changes, duplicating a board in Monday.com is quick and incredibly useful. By the end of this video, you'll know all the duplication options available and how to choose the right one for your needs. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the board that you want to duplicate. You can find it from the left-hand sidebar where all your workspaces and boards are listed. Click on the board to open it fully so you can see all the groups, columns, and items inside it. Now that you have the board open, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the board menu. This menu gives you access to several board-level settings and actions. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option that says Duplicate Board. Click on Duplicate Board to move to the next step. As soon as you click Duplicate Board, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you choose exactly what you want to copy into the new board. Monday.com gives you multiple duplication options, and it's important to choose the right one depending on your goal. The first option is Structure Only. This will copy the board's structure, including groups and columns, but it will not copy any of the items or tasks. This is perfect if you want a clean template with the same layout but without any existing data. The second option is Structure plus Items. This will copy both the structure and all the tasks or items inside the board. Use this if you want an exact working copy of your board with all the current data included. The third option is Structure plus Items plus Updates. This option copies everything, including the updates and conversations inside each item. If your team relies heavily on update threads and communication history, this may be the right choice. There is also an option for Structure plus Items plus Automations. This will duplicate the board along with its automations, which is very useful if you've already set up custom workflows and don't want to rebuild them from scratch. Carefully check the boxes based on what you need. Take a moment to think about whether you want a fresh start or a complete replica of your board. After selecting what to duplicate, you'll need to name your new board. Enter a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you might add the word template, copy, or the current month or project phase to the name. Below the name field, you'll also have the option to choose the workspace where the duplicated board will be saved. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one. Once everything looks good, click on Create Board. Monday.com will process your request, and within a few seconds, your duplicated board will appear in the selected workspace. You can now open it and start editing without affecting the original board. And that's it. That's how you duplicate a board in Monday.com. As you can see, it's a simple process, but understanding the duplication options helps you avoid mistakes and saves you time when managing projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.